What's up, guys, and welcome to the Oak Cliff Cocktail Breeze. My name is Francis George, and today we're going to be umpiring a pre-start. Well, not me. Don and Patrick will. I don't speak umpire.
Here we go. All right, I am starboard right coming into entry here.
I am blue coming around the pin. I am give. I am port give. I'm down below you. I am close to the pin. I did not hit it. I am avoiding. I'm avoiding. I was avoiding before you started pointing at me. I have to come. I'm head to win. Complete. Leeward right.
Windward give. I gave you room to keep clear there.
And I'm giving you quite a bit of room. There's a little more wind than normal.
Keeping clear to windward.
Leeward right.
Head to wind.
Yeah. You're still faster than me. Do you think I'm going to be able to get steel balls here? It's a long way to go. You just backed your main, maybe not.
No, I think I closed you off from steel balls there.
Yep. Okay.
Definitely a bit of a gap, but not quite enough, I don't think.
Just holding, leeward right. Wingboat has called overlap.
Yep. Still windward give and keeping clear. Gauge looks like it's closing a little bit, but still no issues.
Leeward right. We're getting close to the pin as well. I should not hit that.
And I'm tacking now.
If I hit that, now as a drone, we're not in position. If I hit that, that's on me.
Tack complete.
Tacking. I don't think I hit it, but I'm windward give. I'm windward give.
I am right there.
So I am
contact.
There's going to be a Y flag. Yep. That's on me.
I agree. That blue penalty. White flag's a little delayed there, but
definitely me. I got to get going. You
blue
might come
penalty.
back at me if I'm not in.
Probably. I'm ahead right now.
A stern give. Just starting to get going. Who am I again? What's the sailor on my boat?
Peter Holes.
Ooh, there's some yelling on that boat. Okay, now I'm going. Now I can see the bow wave going.
Still ahead right and have room to jibe.
Yep, absolutely.
Holding high here, though.
Absolutely. I wonder why you're holding quite that high.
Sure.
A stern give. Pretty even speeds here. Getting over.
Yep, maintaining my gap in front of you.
148. If I were you, you could probably lead back if you wanted to go. Now, now we're getting to the point where I might lead. There we go.
Jibe.
I am windward give, windward give, windward give,
right,
windward give.
holding,
but you have to let me get out of there. I'm just sneaking in front. I'm taking. I'm nervous for myself. Okay,
I'm stern give though. So
yes, now you're stern give for sure. You can't come in there really close. Okay, 112. We're below the line now.
Windward give now.
I've got to kill some time. Holy crap, I've got a minute to go, and the pin's going to come into frame pretty soon. 1 minute to go. I'm leeward right.
Still windward give and keeping clear.
I think we're close to the line or over the line. I've lost track
we're still leeward of the line,
drone.
I think.
Still leeward of the line, okay. There's the wingboat doing circles for no particular reason. Oh, they're going to get to leeward. There they go.
Finally getting in position. Thanks, wing.
Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, I didn't know where we were on the race course.
So
okay, I'm
still got time to burn here.
Yep.
I still kept
30
clear
seconds,
there.
But now that advantage has changed. 20 seconds. I've got more runway than you. I'm leeward right. Leeward right, 16 seconds.
Give.
All I need to do is go. It's going to be a tight leeward start for me. And we're actually, now we've both killed enough time.
Now we're both going to be late, but...
That's okay. I would be. I don't know why I'm
not sure if I can live there, though, for very long.
No, you can't live there. As a matter of fact, I was a little worried that I was even going to make the pin. But so that's a win on the start to me. Tight cover, luffing, tacking, windward give.
And leeward right as we go off to the match.
And I think I'm thinking I'm in a pretty strong position there. Okay.
Yeah, I think you are too. Except you have a penalty still.
Oh, I forgot about that. Damn it.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see us make for the Cocktail Breeze, feel free to email me at pr@oakcliffsailing.org. If you have any other thoughts, questions, or comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Also, this weekend, the Weekend Workshop Series is bringing to you America's Cup PRO, Peter Luigi Reggio, with tips, tricks, and tales from the Signal Boat. And from what I hear, he's got some pretty funny tales, so you guys do not want to miss this one. Also coming up, we have Mark Towell and Charlie Enright from 11th Hour Racing Team for the next Ocean Race, with a live Q&A next weekend. Dawn is going to be doing a maiden Q&A. Lots of fun stuff coming up, guys, so make sure you check our calendar on our website. Subscribe to our newsletter. With all of the coronavirus craziness going on, we, like everybody else, have had to improvise, but I think we're still going to have a full, fun summer. So make sure you keep in tune with all the updates on our newsletter, our website. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you next time on the Cocktail Breeze.